I don't usually try to buy these fantasy cars, but sometimes when they have a moving part or something unique, I snatch them up. And I noticed on this one, it has the chassis that comes off, and it's called Drone Duty. And it's like this part can fly or something. I don't know. But I thought, well, what the heck? And I noticed there's this like little dude silhouette in there. You see that in there? There he is. So let's take a look here. Let's get into it. This comes off somehow. Oh, it looks like you pinch. There we go. All right, there you go. So it's two separate vehicles. It's this part, which I think is intended to fly or something. And then there's the chassis. So sometimes my curiosity gets the best of me, and I'm just curious what it does, how it works. And for $1, you know, what the heck, man? I'll just give it a shot, take a look. See, it's back on there. There you go. So kind of dumb. Probably just give it to my nephews. But it's cool. Just like to see how these things work out. There we go.